Clips, what's up, y'all?
So it's the aftercare is different depending on size. Cause the one on my back, she not that big like at all. And she was 60, and she just the outline of a genie. And I had like that plastic wrap on, and he told me like take it off in like 30 minutes, and like cold showers and stuff, and like non-scented soaps, and like she was good. But like
Yeah,
this one, what I gotta do?
yeah, I might say pretty much is the aftercare is pretty much the same. I just say the only thing differ from like with bigger tattoos could take long because it's taking up more of your body. You know what I'm saying? Versus if it was a small spot, it'll heal up pretty fast.
And it do it depend on it being like inked out, cause it's just the outline. So
Yeah, this the hour. That's what it do depends on that.
okay.
So like if it was shaded, if you ever seen like a fully shaded, it would take a little bit longer. And if it was like colored, color take longer too. Cause color is really like worked in the skin, like saturated and built up. So it would take a little bit longer versus shade don't take that much build up to build it.
Why do people think I'm scared? I'm not scared.
Everybody sitting there.
Yeah, I told my friend.
And that's another thing I'll say pay attention to, because if you tattooing, the machine can turn. Before you know it, the hole it end up at the bottom. So what I do, I always gotta check to put it back up. It's the natural ink flow like straight down versus just like this feel like you're trying to flow
Gotcha.
down. You know what I'm saying? So for the flow in the skin, try to keep that hole pointed up.
Gotcha.
Pull that stroke, always kind of get used to the flow that you about to go in before you pull your line. So when you land down, you're gonna keep moving, slowly lift up, slowly lift up. How you get your clean lines. And this one of the things that I tell people to practice those on wrist motions, hand motions, like circles and things like that. Because for this circle, we're gonna have to use that same stroke to pull this line. And if your wrist muscle is already ready to follow that pattern, it'll be a lot easier to stay on pad when pulling your line. So I definitely say work up those wrist muscles. If you've seen the video on YouTube, I put it up in the right hand corner. Check it out. Well, yeah, you definitely have to work on the wrist muscles, building that muscle memory up. And you draw yourself, so you know all about sketching the muscle memory. You know what I'm saying? Like if you got the muscle memory, you'll be good.
Yeah.
And really, like I was saying, I just use the tip of the needle. You're not really going deep. So most people say like 2 centimeters is like real small, like the size of the width of a dime. And you just basically taking the tip of the needle and you're going straight across at that same pressure. You're not adding no pressure because you got to think about it. The needle itself is going out. So really, if you put it consistently in that spot, the needle going to do the work. The needle going to go in and out the skin on its own, deposit the ink. All you got to do is keep it at the same height and just go across it. Now, some parts of the skin that's real tough, like hands and fingers, you do have to like kind of press it.
That's what it said.
So
It hurt them.
yeah, it definitely hurts, but the hands fade a lot more often too. That's why you gotta really press it in the skin like that. I got somebody that got a hand tat right now, which I told them in the beginning. It's gonna lighten up, but this time I ain't expect it to lighten up this much, but we gonna have to touch it up regardless. So I tell everybody that's getting a hand tattoo, yeah, we gonna have to touch it up. Alright, so we started out using the but now I'm on a 3 round liner because in the hair, all these small lines, the 7 round line would have been way too bold. You can see like these, they can't really be as bold because they're real small right next to each other.
And it's supposed to bleed, right?
Yeah, they bleed together and you don't want that to bleed together.
Sarah.
What up, Sarah? And I know I said before y'all with the 3 round liner, you definitely want to be careful with the tip of the needle because it's easy to get blowout. Same with the 1 round liner. So you just got to be careful. Even if you have to move at slower speeds, do that because if you have to go too deep in one spot, it could be an easily blowout. Alright y'all, we're just looking over some things. We'll tighten it up. Some line that's a little thinner, a little shaky or something, just going over. Some just needs to be a little bit bolder. So yep, we about to be done with this. We just doing the outline, no shading. Alright, appreciate y'all for watching the video. Hope you all learned something. Thanks for sticking around. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the video for more content. See you all in the next video.